Lot number 434 is a SDMO 40J40 diesel generator with a John Deere engine. It's got very low hours. Motor is nice, clean, and dry, as you can see. It was last serviced on 9/4/20, just last year, a few months ago, 6 months ago. It's got the control panel. We tried to start it, it didn't start, it turns over. Let's see if it starts now. I was playing with it earlier. It turns over, no doubt. But it's not turning over now, so it might be out of fuel. Yeah, so but it was running. I had it not running. It wasn't running. It turned over. But it was, wait, let's see, it's going to turn over now. Here we go. Hitting the start button. Oh, got to turn on the switch. I see a few holes disconnected here. That's probably the reason why it's not running. There's fuel pumping here. Let's see where this hose go. Maybe we can get it going here. Oh, this hose goes somewhere. I see a hose disconnected here. You see a hose, fuel hose disconnected. So, but you can tell this machine is in very nice condition, no doubt. So, I was told it was running and they decided to part with it because they got a new one. All right. The case is good. It's got minor rust on the bolts, but that's it. The case is really good. It's a J40. Good luck.